Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to modify and update the resource curves from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 20 in this group of videos, and we will use SQLite database in this video. You can also use Oracle database or SQL server when you select any of them. Let us first import the current resource curves in the database. From the main menu, select dictionary, and then from the import menu, select the resource curves and import the current resource curves in the database. These are the current resource curves, and these are the default curves. You cannot modify these curves or delete any of them. When we go to Primavera to check these results, from Enterprise, open the resource curves. As you see, we have the same resource curves that we have imported in Excel. Let us add some of these resource curves to know how you can use the SDK Magic Tool. If I have prepared these resource curves and I would like to export them to Primavera, at the end of the table, add these curves. We have the curve number 1, 2, and 3, and these numbers at the first column will be blank, and these numbers will be set by the SDK Magic Tool. As you know, you can draw any of these curves from this option. You can select any curve and then you can draw it. Okay. Let us start to export these three curves, three new curves to the database. From this option, search for resource curves and export them to Primavera. As you see, these curves now in the database. It's very fast and very accurate. Let us import these curves again. Now we have these curves in the database, and these numbers have been set by the SDK Magic Tool. You can now draw any of these curves. For example, let us draw the curve number 3. This is the curve number 3. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates. Okay, from File, Refresh Data, and then open Enterprise Resource Curves. As you see, we have now these three curves in Primavera, 1, 2, and 3. For the number 3, this is the same curve that we have drawn in Excel. You can also remove any of these curves or modify their numbers. To learn how you can use the SDK Magic Tool, let us, for example, remove curve number 2 and export these changes to Primavera. Now this curve has been deleted. Import again. As you see, we have now curve number 1 and number 3, and number 2 has been deleted. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates. Refresh data again, and then open Enterprise Resource Curves. We have number 1 and number 3. It's very fast, accurate, and also flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool to import or export any of Primavera items. Thank you and goodbye.